So what's up, I'm Rudy, and today I'm gonna teach you how to create conditional form with RTM Form Builder. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit first and RTM Form. You just need to search RTMKit and you'll find RTMKit and RTM Form Builder, and you need to install and then activate it. And after that, you create page and edit with Elementor. Go here, Flexbox, and add element. Drag and drop RTM form that you find. Edit form. Here, create new form. Create name of form. Additional. Yes, confirmation. Check. Create email subject. Write the email. And copy paste your email. And thank you note. And after that, go to notification. Check notification, email subject. Additional. You paste your email again, and admin note, and save and edit. After save and edit, you will go to new page, edit with Elementor as well, and on the left gonna be form builder widget, and here there is an icon of RTMKit that you can click it and you find ready template that you already can use it, and you can tweak by yourself for your own purpose, like this one. Here's the widget that I'm talking about, the one that you can using it. Here, click the icon wireframe. After wireframe, choose form. Choose form. Go down, conditional form 2, import it. And here's the conditional form that's already made it by runtime. You can using it, you can tweak it like this one. You can change it. Email, we can add. We can edit the label in here. You can add element in here. Element, maybe date. You can add date in here. You can change where the position. Change date. You can add the checkbox as well. The number telephone already add, and after that you can save and close. After you save and close, you'll find it here, and we can publish. And later on, for the record, you go to RTMKit and Form Builder and go form. Here's the conditional that you already created. Here's the number of entries, and here's the data that you can download it. So if you want to have a good form, you can install it RTM Form Builder in your plugin. Thank you. You can